In the unfolding saga of the Rayne Royce murder case, Hollyoaks has disclosed the strategic plea maneuver undertaken by Romeo Nightingale. This development emerged subsequent to Romeo's arrest earlier this month, a consequence of revelations exposing his inadvertent involvement in the tragic demise of his romantic partner during a poolside altercation. In the intervening period, Romeo's close associates have sought to sway his legal stance toward a plea of innocence, ardently desiring to spare him from the consequences of actions he never intended. However, Prince McQueen stood as the dissenting voice, urging Romeo to embrace a plea of guilt. The latest episode, airing on January 26, depicted James and Peri Lomax making a concerted effort to influence Romeo. This endeavor transpired after Romeo dismissed his father as his legal representative, emphasizing his desire to extricate his family from the morass of his predicament. Romeo articulated his concern to his father, stating, "If it came to light that my lawyer concealed me from the authorities and procured a fraudulent passport, your professional reputation would be irreparably damaged. I am intent on distancing you from this ordeal, ensuring you can forge a life beyond its shadow." In a tense exchange, Peri implored James to leave them alone, subsequently presenting her perspective to Romeo. She sought to convince him that his actions were rooted in self-defense against Rayne's persistent mistreatment, and advocated for a detailed account of the abuse in court. "I assure you, you can articulate your truth. It is imperative that you portray yourself as a victim. Otherwise, they will draw their own prejudiced conclusions, branding you as just another assailant of women. Is that the label you want to carry?" Despite tearfully committing to recounting the truth in court, Romeo diverged from this pledge during the hearing, opting instead to plead guilty. He acknowledged, "Whether an accident or not, I have taken a life, and I must bear the weight of that choice." Aware that James and Peri would disapprove, Romeo intentionally misinformed them about the timing of the hearing, leading them to discover his guilty plea through a live news broadcast. They arrived at the courthouse just in the nick of time to witness him being escorted away in handcuffs.